The evolution of robotic organs, from science fiction to reality. What if you could replace a failing organ with a robotic one? This isn't science fiction, it's science fact. Why did the robotic organ go to school? It wanted to get a higher IQ level certification. Defining robotic organs, artificial replacements designed to replicate natural organ functions. Pioneering the artificial heart, a life-saving device for those awaiting transplants. Liver assist devices, machines designed to temporarily take over liver functions. Bionic Pancreas, helping manage diabetes by automating insulin delivery. Breakthrough in lungs, robotic lungs that assist or fully replace breathing functions. Neural interfaces, connecting artificial organs to the brain for seamless communication. 3D bioprinting, printing robotic organs tailored to individual patients. Sustainability challenges, making robotic organs durable and long-lasting. Wearable Tech Integration, combining robotic organs with monitoring apps for real-time health updates. Global accessibility, bridging the gap in availability across different countries. Bioethical considerations, exploring the line between enhancement and necessity. Cost implications, making robotic organs affordable for the masses. Future prospects, advancing toward hybrid organs combining robotics and biology. Robotic organs are reshaping medical science, offering hope for patients worldwide. As technology progresses, the dream of living longer, healthier lives becomes increasingly attainable. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.